Yeah, that. A wolf. We've got a wolf on the estate. Sounds like a big one. It must have come down off the moors looking for food. Same time, every night for the past 2 weeks, that noise has haunted me. Well, no more. It's time to end this before someone walks out of Costa with a cheese toastie and gets their face ripped off. I know hunting and killing wolves isn't in my job description, but when I swore an oath to serve and protect, I flicking meant it. I've just watched Predator on Channel 5, so I know what I'm doing. Don't worry about me. I'll be back. Because I don't want me brew to go cold. It wasn't a wolf. It was a jogger with irritable bowel syndrome. He said it's flared up over Christmas and he keeps getting caught short behind the bins. Ah well.